In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Advpack.dll missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we need to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Here you'll find the system type, so take note of that. And then open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have on your Windows. And then simply search for the missing DLL file and then put download. Hit enter. Click on it for the free download. Scroll down and then you have to look for the file that is corresponding to your system type. So choose the first one. Click on the download button. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for that to load. And then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. And navigate to this PC. Double click on the Windows C drive. Locate for the Windows folder. Scroll down to the S section. Here you'll find the System 32. So if you're a 64-bit system type of Windows, go to System 32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. So we are a 64-bit, so we need to go to System 32. Right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you need to restart your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. So click on the start button and then go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for download and install the necessary updates or files that we need for our Windows. And once updated, then good. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.